Hi guys, I created this easy and quick soft bronze smoky eyes look with two lip options for Valentine's Day. It's a perfect look, a very soft daytime look, and I will also give you a nighttime option with a bolder lip color. So let's get started. At first, I'm priming my face with the Sugar Most Eligible Blurring Primer. I really like this primer. It is very similar to Benefit Professional. And for my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'll be mentioning all the shades and links in the description box below, so do check that out. I'm using very little amount of foundation. I'm trying out the Pixie concealers. I'm using Nude and Warm. Warm is more closer to my skin tone, and Nude is a little lighter, which I can use for brightening. So I'm using the Warm shade like on the center part of my face to cover all the problem areas, and I'm blending it all in. It's very easy to blend, and I love the thick applicator. It's like really thick, and you don't need, like, spreads easily all over the face, and you don't need to like dip many times. And yeah, it blends really easily, as you can see. And I'm using the lighter shade, the nude shade, just tiny bit of it under my eyes to brighten them. And I'm setting everything with my sugar powder, which I use almost on a daily basis, but I don't use a lot of powder as well, so just setting wherever I use the concealer. And to warm up my face, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is the mini one, and as you can see, it instantly like warms up the face. Yes, as you can see, again, it's very easy to blend and gives a nice bronzy glow. For my blush, I'm using the MAC Copper Tone blush, which is again a peachy brown kind of shade, so it merges with the bronzer perfectly and doesn't look like you have too much color on your face going on. As I mentioned, it's a very variable look, which doesn't give like too much of a makeup kind of look. I'm using the Pixie Peachy glowy powder, which is like a highlighter, but it is very natural and gives a very soft dewy finish. As you can see, the shimmers are so fine, it doesn't even feel like a highlighter. It's not like a blinding highlighter. It's a very natural looking highlighter if you like those kind of highlighters. And I'm setting everything with the Smashbox primer water, which again keeps my makeup lasting all day long. And I'm just tapping everything with my blender so that the powderiness goes away. I'm using the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil, which is like so precise and so fine. But yeah, I really like this pencil, but you use a lot of product and it's like so thin and tiny, you finish it off easily. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Pixie and From Head to Toe, that is Jen Che on YouTube here, collab eyeshadow stick. It is like a beautiful bronzy brown shade, and yeah, I'm using only this as my eye product here, and it gives a beautiful bronzy eye look, complete eye look with just that one stick. And I'm using the Smashbox Super Fan mascara, which is like my absolute favorite. I'm really loving this mascara. It gives such a nice voluminous effect to your lashes. For my lips, I'm using the new Pixie Plush Cream Crayon in Peach Pixie. Now, Peach Pixie is a very good daytime shade. It gives a very nice soft peachy pink look. As you can see, it gives a very nice dewy daytime kind of a look. And if you want to use reds, if you want a nighttime kind of look, you can go for a bolder red lip color. I am trying out the Red Rebel shade from the same range, and that would be like a slightly bolder nighttime kind of look. So it's a perfect Valentine's Day look, peach for daytime and red for nighttime. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.